Planning to explore national parks on a budget? It's easier than you think. Welcome to our comprehensive guide that's all about making your adventures more affordable and enjoyable. We're going to delve into the must-have budget-friendly travel gear that can significantly enhance your national park exploration. From tools that increase your comfort to items that promote safety, these cost-effective solutions are designed to make your journey unforgettable. So stick around as we unveil the top budget-friendly gear that will transform your national park exploration. Let's dive into the list of must-have budget-friendly travel gear for your next national park adventure. First up, a durable backpack. This isn't just a bag, it's a mobile storage unit for all your essentials. Choose one with multiple compartments for easy organization and ensure it's made of robust material to weather any storm. A good backpack is an investment that saves you from the hassle of frequent replacements. Next, consider a compact tent. When you're exploring the great outdoors, shelter is crucial, and a compact tent is a perfect solution. It's lightweight, easy to set up, and affordable. You'll be protected from the elements without breaking the bank. Hydration is key, which brings us to the third item, a portable water purifier. This device lets you turn any water source into drinkable water, saving you from the expense and environmental harm of bottled water. It's a small gadget with a big impact. Fourth on our list is a multifunctional tool. This all-in-one device serves as a knife, a can opener, a screwdriver, and even a pair of scissors. It's like having a whole toolbox in your pocket, saving you space and money. Then we have a solar-powered charger. Keep your devices juiced up without relying on power outlets. Harness the power of the sun and stay connected, even in the wilderness. Comfortable hiking shoes are another must-have. Your feet carry you through your journey, so treat them well. Invest in a pair that's sturdy, comfortable, and waterproof. Remember, happy feet mean a happy traveler. Finally, an insulated food and drink carrier. Keep your meals warm and your drinks cold, no matter where you are. This carrier ensures you have access to nourishing food and refreshing drinks without the expense of dining out. With these budget-friendly items, you're now ready to embark on your national park adventure. Equipped with the right gear, exploring national parks on a budget becomes a thrilling and fulfilling experience. Remember, the right gear can make your journey not only cost-effective, but also comfortable and hassle-free. From durable backpacks to compact camping equipment, every item we've discussed today is designed to enhance your national park exploration without breaking the bank. So, gear up and get ready to explore the great outdoors. Subscribe for more budget travel ideas and gear recommendations. Here's to your next great adventure.